Your quarterlies look great. How are things going with the library?
Oh, I thought I told you. I couldn't close it, so...
So you've come to the master for guidance. Is that what you're saying, Grasshopper?
Actually, you called me in here, but, yeah.
All right. Let me show you how it's done. I'd like to speak to your office manager. Yes, this is Michael Scott. I am the regional manager for Dunder Mifflin Paper Products.
People say I am the best boss. And when it comes down to it, I think part of the reason is because I have the best employees. And part of the reason we're so efficient is because I treat my employees like family. Except for Toby, though. You see, he's part of HR, so he's not really a part of this family. Plus, he's divorced, so yeah, he's not really a part of his family either.
All right, done deal. Thank you very much, sir. You are a gentleman and a scholar. Oh, my mistake. Good day. That was a woman. Yeah. A very deep voice. Probably a smoker. So. Anyways, if you'll follow us through here. Here we have Pam Beasley, our receptionist. Now, Pam, you've been with us forever at this point, right?
Well, I don't know.
And if you think she's good looking now, you should have seen her 2 years ago.
What?
Actually, hey, I need you to return this for me. So.
You finished the movie?
Yeah, huge surprise ending. I won't ruin it for you.
No. Go ahead.
Rose is the bad guy. Never see it coming. Anyways, now you are sunken.
The sunken place. He's watching Get Out. He's gonna try and kill me.
You guys already met Jim from the other room here.
I usually keep myself busy by pranking Dwight or talking to Pam, but usually I just prank Dwight. This one time I put his stuff in Jell-O.
This is Dwight Schrute, our most hardworking, trustworthy, and loyal employee. So, what were you guys just talking about?
I was just mentioning to Jim how I recently received my purple belt from my karate dojo.
I bet you couldn't beat me up in a fight, so.
Michael, of course I could. I am a Schrute. We Schrutes have superior genes.
It's true. I come from a long line of fighters. My maternal grandfather was a World War II veteran. Killed 20 men and spent the rest of the war in an Allied prison camp.
How about you just have Dwight punch you and see what happens then?
That would be pointless. I know like 20 14-year-old girls who could knock him out.
You know a lot of 14-year-old girls?
That is not what I meant. You know what, fine. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it.
Michael, are you sure about this? I don't want to hurt you.
There is no way that you could hurt me. So. Not that hard, you idiot! Oh.
My father was a fighter too. He battled obesity and diabetes his entire life. Different kind of fight.
Oh! Oh! Attention, everybody. I would like to formally invite you all to the first annual mandatory design day. Now, today, we will be discussing Empathy. Come on, guys, get excited. Oh, and don't fake being sick, because if you do, I will fire you.
You can't fire anybody.
Who let the Lemonhead in here? You are a waste of life, and I think you should give up.
After Dwight hit me, in the groin, I might add, I want everyone to understand, or in this case, remember what it feels like to be in such physical or emotional pain.
Empathy. 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 What is empathy? Kevin? Oscar?
You have no idea what empathy is, do you?
I think I...
I know. Michael, I know. Michael, I know.
All right. Dwight?
Empathy is when you feel bad for someone because they're lesser and weaker than you.
No. Jesus, Dwight. All right, everybody in the conference room, 30 seconds. Let's go. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna sit here in this circle, and everybody is gonna talk about a time of tragedy in their life. And then we will empathize and hear about it. Okay. Oscar, why don't you go first? You of all people must have something to say.
What? Why? Why am I the one who has to have something to say? I don't...
Well, considering your people...
My people?
You know what? Never mind.
My people? What? Is it because I'm gay?
Never mind.
Is it because I'm not white? You know, I hate working here. Michael sucks. Dwight sucks. Yeah, everything sucks.
When I was a baby, my mother got an ultrasound and found out she was having twins. Little did they know that the next time she got an ultrasound, they found out I had resorbed the other fetus. I believe this has made me stronger. I now have the strength of a grown man and a tiny baby.
That must have been why he was able to hit me so hard.
Jesus Christ. Anyone else?
Michael, can I go?
No, you can get out. Go. Thank you. Creed, why don't you go?
Well, if you need to get out of the country quickly, I'm your guy.
I guess yesterday I hit a dog with my car.
Oh my God, that's terrible. How are you doing?
I mean, I think I left a note. I'm actually not sure if that actually happened, but...
Oh my God, guys. Give me the ball. We need some serious, the hard-hitting stuff. You know? Like, come on. You know, surely one of you has had something seriously tragic. I mean hard-hitting stuff. One of you. Anybody?
All right. You know, I think I've seen some pretty bad stuff in my life.
My parents went on a boat trip. They both ended up dying in a really bad accident. It was really bad. The town that I lived in just started getting really, really cold. I just had to, eventually, let it go.
Oh, wow, finally. Some really tragic stuff. Thank you. That really sucks and stuff and all that.
Ooh, me. Once I was on this really big ship in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. The ship hit an iceberg, and I saw as my best friend Jack sank to the bottom. Oh, and he also liked to paint me in the nude.
Wait a second. That's Titanic. Did you guys even... what is this? What do you think this is? Some kind of game?
Well, there's a ball.
Just get out. Go back to your stupid work, your stupid, unempathetic lives.
You should really take charge of this office. I mean, fire Jim. He's not here. He's sick.
Go.
Today was a good day. I really think it made an impact on everyone's lives. And, as I said, these people were like a family.
If I'm being honest, I don't even know why I work here or how I got this job. I just use the copier to make some fake IDs for some teenagers I know and write on my blog, www.creedthoughts.gov/www.creedthoughts.
Do I think today was productive? No. Do I respect my coworkers? God, no. You want to know why? Because I don't have coworkers. I have subordinates, and I will rule over them with an iron fist.